Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not responding on the application of Yazio. You will go to settings and you will click here in this first page of settings. You will enter, then you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above here you will search about the application of Yazio and you will enter. After that you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again. And in the end you will go to Play Store and you can uninstall your app, then you can install it again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.